If you're tired of posting fire content and getting zero reach, here is how to bot Instagram views in 2026. Let's begin. Head over to nazop.com using the link in the description. Once you're on there, just hit login or sign up. I usually just use the Google option because it's way faster and gets you into the dashboard instantly. Before we order, we need a balance. Click Deposit on the sidebar. You can top up using your card, crypto, or a few other methods depending on what you prefer. Now, let's find the Instagram View bot service. Go to New Order, click the search bar, and just type in Instagram Views. You'll see a few options pop up. Go ahead and choose the first option on the list. It's only 5 cents for 1,000 views, which is a total steal for this speed. Now, grab your Instagram post or reel link and paste it right here. For this test, we're just going to do 1,000 views to show you how it works. Enter 1,000 in the quantity, hit Order Now, and that's it. The system handles the rest while you sit back. Alright, here's how it went and the views got in. I gave it a quick refresh, and as you can see, the numbers are already climbing. We went from basically nothing to our target 1,000 views in just a couple of minutes. It's that easy. If you want to try this out, go to Nazop using the link in the description below. It's the best way to get that initial social proof. Drop a like if this helped, and subscribe for more 2026 growth hacks. See you in the next one.